we make it go back side. Then we adjust the cutting machine to another type. Another type is that which do the MDF backboard and can make the 4 pieces connecting together. Having that here. Back side, we go back to the sorting table. And then here, not cut, not cut, not cut. This means one molding has 4 pieces. Inside the middle, the 3 position, not cut off. We make the uncovered deep side is the 71.2 and 71.1. This is the 2 position. The saw blade moving deep to check. And here is another side. Now it's already all cut. Then we go to the next page and the last page. Cut 3 and the 4th pieces cut off and another is not cut. Next page. Okay, back. We start to running to see that if we can connecting this together or not. This is for the MDF backboard, the blackboard cutting to make all the connecting together. And also if other which MDF molding wrapped with paper also can use this cutting. Then you can connect it together with the glue and no need to make the vnails side. Okay, let's start. Running. Many customers, they just put the MDF board, and the main board on the table. Same as the side you want to cut. So after cutting that, then the side, the molding side, same as the side of the white, the board in the bucket, the water, then taking it off. Very simple, very fast. This structure is running out, and after cutting all, after getting it straight, and then let it come back. Go down to cutting to save the energy. Okay, after cutting, we will go back side. Then we can see here 4 pieces connecting with each other together. This is doing the some MDF is very less than wise, and we all need to connect it together to use the glue to make that. Here. This is the 4 pieces. 4 pieces. Like this. This cutting. And connecting the 4 pieces together. Then to make the glue. Use the belt to make the glue on it to cut it. Okay, this is it. to cutting the MDF. It has this design. You can choose to make the different cutting tips to make the connecting together. Then for the corners, they are more better looking for the paper. Okay. Now we start to put all moldings on it. Then you can see how this works and cut it well. Okay, after text cutting tips, then we start to the big production to make that.